German airline Lufthansa says it will become the first airline to operate a CO2 neutral cargo flight over this coming weekend. The carrier said on Friday the flight would be made possible by using so-called Sustainable Aviation Fuel or biofuel. Peter Gerber is the chairman of Lufthansa Cargo Group.
A flight becomes CO2 neutral if, like in this case, it uses biofuel, which already includes CO2. We bought this biofuel and it was filled into the tank together with our partners, and then the flight can take off.
However, Gerber isn't expecting biofuel to become used more widely anytime soon, because he says it's between 3 and 6 times more expensive than conventional kerosene. Global oil demand has been crushed by the events of this year, with BP saying it may never recover to pre-crisis levels, leading to the closure of refineries. That's prompting some owners to opt for cleaner alternatives, converting plants to produce biofuels. Europe's annual biofuel production capacity is currently 3 million tonnes, with Barclays analyst Joshua Stone predicting in October that is set to increase to 8 million tonnes per year.